is this?
Just ask him if he's about to put more out.
Let me feel which one's heavier. Because the heavier one has the more hits. They feel the same. Go right there while working his girlfriend. Oh, guess what?
No way.
He be reselling Pokemon cards, so he's got the fucking plug, bro. He's got the plug so she knows when they restock, so that's why he gets the shit, bro. Oh, okay.
Somebody just texted me, should we see? Over the hose. Yeah! It was the hose. Yeah.
Another one, bro!
It's made it.
Nothing? Okay. Rizon, oh my god.
Oh my gosh, dude, we
We might have to go buy more.
Oh my gosh.
They're so sticky. Oh!
It's like
39! Wait, we're dead ass almost in. All we have to do is get one more hit. Fuck me. Oh, wait, we just got a gangsta gangsta. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Now, moment of truth. This is the legacy pack right here. This is where champions are made.
There's a chance because it's shiny. Nope, never mind.
Yep.
Oops.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. That's so tough. Genesect.
Don't care about that shit. Don't care about the full out we're about to pack. About the full out we're about to pack.
No! This is where legends are made, because this is
dead ass the good shit too.
Tink-a-tink.